In an effort to protect our floor, our wood structure, we've first applied a 40 mil waterproof SAF membrane, and we're going to put a couple of slices in it and fold it onto our wood subfloor. Now it's time to apply flashing corners and assemble the rest of our pan. Okay, the first step is to apply a small amount of polyurethane sealant, and then we apply our flashing corner. This is a GS Flex A piece. So first we're going to apply sealant. And this is in an effort to save money, which we hear everybody wants to save money. This pan system will be less money than a metal pan. It should be quicker and just as effective. Okay, this membrane we're using does not have, it's not an SAF product. In other words, there's no release sheet. This membrane has an asphalt core. We're using something called Future Flash. This membrane does have an asphalt core. It's a rubberized asphalt core, but it does not have a sticky back. So we're able to press this into the sealant with no problem. And also because it's not sticking down, we'll be able to fold the inside up to create our inside pan termination. Note that we marked where our door ends. Percy, would you point where and we added an inch. So we know that this membrane is extending inside the room 1 inch further than our door. And that's important. You'll see why in a few minutes. Now we're going to apply a very simple slice to the membrane so that it can be folded down and away. All right, this is the basics of our pan system. This is a membrane pan. It's very well constructed, very effective, very cost effective. And what you'll see is there's a little bit of sealant squeeze out there. You can see our corners in place. There's 2 layers of membrane. This will be a very effective pan system. Price, this is definitely saving money over metal pans. Now if this condition exists over a deck on a second floor or any place where a metal decking flashing needs to be applied, that metal flashing can be applied over this. So this could be set in place, and then the metal flashing from a deck would be layered on top of this, but the metal flashing would not have to have an inside vertical lip. It'll just lay flat on top of this because we're going to fold our flashing. The inside leg of our flashing is going to be folded up to create our lip, and you'll see that in just a few minutes. All right, our pan is in. Our side flashing is up. And it's time to start thinking about installing this door. This is not going to be a really large bead of sealant. We're going to put about 1/4 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch bead of sealant. Across the entire width of this door. And then we're going to go 6 inches up each side. Now it's time to make our fold. The tape is temporary. Notice he's pushing the sealant in such a way that it comes up a little ways. And after the sealant sets up, it will hold that flashing upwards. And again, remember, this tape is not permanent. It's designed to be removed. After the sealant is set up, it'll hold the flashing into the upright position. So there's our pan.